In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Mailchimp form to your Webflow site. We'll go through the full setup process inside Webflow so your form can send late information properly and your integration works as expected once the site is live. The process is straightforward, but it helps to move carefully, especially when matching your form fields. Start by opening your active project inside your Webflow account. Once you're in the correct project, go to the dashboard area for that site and access the settings for the project you want to work on. This is important because the integration settings live at the project level, not just inside the visual designer. From there, head directly into the site settings and look for the integration section. This is where Webflow lets you connect outside services, including Mailchimp. If you have multiple tabs or panels open, just make sure you're editing the right projects before continuing so the changes apply to the correct website. Next, take your Mailchimp audience form action URL and paste it into the Mailchimp form integration field provided in Webflow. This is the part that links your Webflow form to your Mailchimp audience behind the scenes. Be careful to paste only the correct form action URL into the designated input area and avoid including any extra private account details in your workflow notes or shared documentation. After that, move to your form setup in Webflow and review the custom input fields. This step matters because the field labels, names, and attribute structure in your Webflow form need to match the target fields expected by your Mailchimp audience configuration. In other words, if your Mailchimp setup is expecting a specific field structure, your Webflow inputs should reflect that exactly. Take a moment to compare each input carefully, especially for things like name fields, email fields, and any custom profile properties you're collecting. Even small mismatches can prevent contacts from being submitted correctly. Once everything is aligned, save your changes and publish the site. You'll need to publish to your live domains so the updated integration becomes active across your target web servers, and the lead generation system starts working in the live environment. If you only save without publishing, the connection may not be operational on the public site. After publishing, it's a good idea to test the form yourself on the live version of the website. Submit a sample entry and confirm that it reaches the correct Mailchimp audience. That final check helps you catch any field